Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn. I'm 7 years old. Today I will talk about Dawn's Hiccups. Dawn enters a competition. She will sing on television. Hic, hic, hic. Dawn is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Dawn's mother gives her a scare. Spray, hic, hic. Dawn still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. Hic. But Dawn still has hiccups. Suck on a slice of lemon. Hic. But Dawn still has hiccups. A nurse gives Dawn a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Dawn's hiccups go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful. The crowd shouts and cheers. Thank you listening and goodbye everyone.